Hi students, the week of 4-6 to 4-8, this is what we're going to cover. On Monday, we're going to take a short quiz. It's only 10 problems, and it will show me whether you understand how to simplify radicals. All right, so you'll be taking a quiz on Monday over simplifying radicals. Also on Monday, you'll be watching a video about the imaginary unit and then doing a 7-problem worksheet simplifying square roots of negative numbers using the imaginary unit. On Tuesday, we're going to review complex numbers, what complex numbers are and how you've been actually using complex numbers, because our real number system is part of the complex number system. And then we're going to do a worksheet on operations over the complex number system, how to add, subtract, multiply, and divide complex numbers. And that is what we're doing this week. There will only be 2 assignments plus the quiz. I will have no new assignment on Wednesday, and then that will be it until we come back after Easter. So happy Easter, everybody.